the perfect tour of Rome and Vatican City. What do we find? They say Rome wasn't built in a day, but we're going to see the best of it at light speed. Today, we're going to explore the Eternal City in the smallest country in the world. Let's go! First stop, the Colosseum. Fun fact, its real name is the Flavian Amphitheater. It could hold 50,000 people at its peak, who were there to watch gladiators battle it out. Right next door is the Roman Forum. This was the original downtown of the Roman Empire. It was the heart of political, social, and commercial life. And don't miss Palatine Hill. History says this is exactly where Romulus founded the city in 753 BC. Talk about prime real estate. Time to cool off at the Pantheon. This temple was built to honor all gods, and it still has the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Look at that hole in the ceiling. That's the oculus, the building's only light source. From there, we're heading to the Trevi Fountain. Tradition says if you throw a coin over your left shoulder with your right hand, you're guaranteed to return to Rome. Now a quick dash to the Spanish Steps, which are 135 steps connecting the Piazza di Spagna to the church above. It's the perfect spot for people watching and enjoying pizza al taglio. That's pizza by the slice, cut with scissors. Next, for the ultimate kick, a Roman espresso. Stand at the bar to drink it like a local. It's faster and cheaper. Now, let's jet across the border. Welcome to the smallest country on earth and home of the Pope. We're starting in St. Peter's Square, designed by Bernini to look like the motherly arms of the church reaching out. Then we enter St. Peter's Basilica. It's the largest church in the world. It houses Michelangelo's masterpiece, Pieta, which he carved when he was only 24, shooting him into stardom. Finally, we reach the Sistine Chapel. No photos allowed here, but just look up. Michelangelo spent for years on his back painting that ceiling. It's over 500 years old and still looks vibrant. From ancient gladiators to Renaissance masters, we just crushed Rome and the Vatican City. Arrivederci. I'm blasting off and we'll see you in the next city.